Hello traders, hope you guys doing well. I'm recording this presentation for the LEM Forex course. Um, it's for the 26th of August 2015. Um, I just kept it as simple as look for clarity. Okay, so that's the point that I'm going to cover today. Look for clarity, and that might lead us to other topics from there. Uh, so here we go. This is the Aussie versus dollar. So need to see the cycles. This has been in a downtrend for quite a while. All right, clear downtrend, pushing down, giving lower highs and lower lows. Now that's the phase one. This is now currently in phase two, and is forming a ring high as a profit booster. This could potentially be an opportunity to sell from there. The spread is quite low. It's just 1.5 pips commission, and this if it doesn't trigger and it carries on pulling back up, even better. Okay, even better, mainly because the phase two will be bigger and it'll be further from the bottom. So, so clear channel going down, giving lower highs and lower lows. So you'll be looking for selling opportunities. Okay, let's move on to the next one. This is the first one that comes up. This is the second one. This is the Euro Aussie. Killer uptrend, giving higher highs and higher lows. This is not a pullback. It's also a ring low, and this is also an opportunity to buy um, tonight when the market closes. um, okay, so there'll be an entry up here. Stop loss down there, and then off he goes back in phase one. If it doesn't trigger any carries on going down, even better. It's going to be further from the top. There's another opportunity there. Next one, same. Euro Canadian. We had loads and lots of opportunities, same as the Euro Aussie going up, and is currently providing another trade. Next one, no. This is a no-no. This is not clear at all. Excuse me. Now, what I like to do here is to put a few lines and analyze the market. Touch there, touch here, and touch there. So that he's acting as a level of resistance. So we're clearly not going to buy against it, especially when the target is above that. So definitely not. Okay. Definitely no trades here. There's virtually no pullback. It is not in an uptrend yet. It's hitting the ceiling of the house. So out of the four, I would say these three are good. This one not as good. The one now. I mean, I wouldn't take it personally. So you have to look for quality over quantity. Some of them are going to look better than other ones, and that's what I'm showing you how to be selective and how to pick the best ones. Next one. This could be a potential buying opportunity. The market was in a downtrend. Now it seems to be that it's shifting to the upside, giving high highs and high lows. Came back down. This is forming a is it like an inside bar? Yeah, it's an inside bar. This could be a trade, entry and stop. Bring it up to here. Okay, you can even increase your reward to risk ratio. This can potentially be like a 2 or 3 to 1 up to here somewhere. Next one is the Canadian. Canadian is giving high highs and high lows. There is also Lotus bar here. Winning trade. Again, winning trade. Now this is pulling back down. This could be a trade here with an entry and a stop to bring it back up. It's not currently flashing mainly because it's an inside bar, so it could form a ring low, but I don't think it's gonna happen. So look, Well, for it to see if it's a ring low, we might have to make the chart way bigger. It is actually a ring low, because this low is lower than that low, so it's a ring low in an uptrend. So that's a trade for the profit booster, with an entry just above the high of the bar and a stop loss just below the low of the bar. And the target is a 1-to-1 reward to risk. Here I got 1.8. I can always change it. That's now 1.5. Excuse me, there. Okay, so that's another potential trade. See the next one? No, that's a no, nothing here at all to buy or sell. It looks like a roller coaster. Okay, up and down, up and down, up and down. So that's a no. Next one, and another no. Nothing there. So yeah, some of them are looking good. Some of them are not looking as good. So you need to be able to identify the ones that are looking better out of the ones that are flashing. Okay, so the market is already filtering loads, and it is coming up with certain currency pairs. So whether it's 8, 6, or 4, whatever it is, doesn't matter. And out of those ones, you're not obviously not gonna take all of them. Not gonna take all these trades here that are flashing. Okay. So we're not gonna take every single trade. So what we do cherry pick. So we pick the best ones. You can pick 2 or 3. Yeah. So you pick a few using the step-by-step process that we're doing now. Okay, so that's what's happening on the profit booster. So what I mean to look for clarity is to look for some clear trends first, wait until it pulls back, and then look to sell it. And if it's to buy, same thing, vice versa. Clear uptrend, wait until it pulls back, and then look to buy. Okay, it's actually a very simple business once you know what you're doing. So watching these videos, it will keep you in the loops. You'll be at the top of, and that's what we have to do. Okay. So here on the Aussie, he's looking for selling opportunities here, downtrend. Now, if I show you something on the Aussie, you'll be able to see in a second. So this is the Aussie. If you go into the monthly chart, so that's the monthly chart. It's still just there. It's holding the it's holding the the pullback, this huge phase 2, by the trend line support. So this trend line support has 3 touches, one here, and one there. This is on the monthly chart. Okay, this is more than 15 years worth of data right here. It takes 3 years to go up. Okay, so like 2 or 3 years to go up. So you'll be expecting another move that might take 2 or 3 years to go up again. Or it might just break through and carry on going down. In that case, it's gonna go down to, we'll have to break through this level, which is not too far off. And if it breaks through that, it's gonna go down to this level here, and then the bottom bit. Okay, so it's got that, then that, and then that one there. That's if it doesn't hold it and it breaks through. If it holds it and it's kind of losing the momentum down here and it starts picking up, it can go all the way up to here again. Okay, so by the time it's already shifting and start going up, you go into the daily chart, wait for your high highs and high lows, wait for the trend to be established to the upside, and then you're gonna start looking for buying opportunities at the beginning of the phase 1. Okay, this is called time frame correlation and time frame agreement. So you're looking at the daily chart, but then you also need for execution, and then you also need to look at the weekly and the monthly chart for confirmation. So you have to look at these 2 higher time frames for confirmation, and then the daily for execution. That's where you enter the market on the daily chart. But don't forget about the bigger picture, what it's doing on the bigger picture, because you might miss out on what's happening in the larger scale. Okay, so make sure you're on top of it. Look for time frame correlation, time frame agreement as well, which is what we're doing now, and look for clarity in the market. Hence the topic for today. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you all soon. Thank you for listening.